Hello guys, good evening. Today I'm gonna make project 2. So yesterday I was making project 3, and then now I'm gonna make project 2. The first one is breadboard, and the second one is remote control. The third one is Arduino, and then the flash disk. Not the flash disk. The cable, USB cable. And fourth one is the jumper cable, and then the fifth one is the resistor, and the sixth one is the lamp, and the seventh one is IR resistor. So now I'm gonna make it this project. First one is white cable, and then you plug in a five in here. Okay, one more time in here. Okay, oops. And the second one is brown one, and then you can put in here in the Jenny one. And then the third one is the red one. You can put in number 11, 9, and 10, and 11. Okay, I get it. Then the orange one is behind the behind the number 10, or near to number 10. Okay, and then in breadboard you can put lamp slam in number 8, and in the positive one you can put in the number 8, and the negative one you can put in number 9. Okay, and then this one, the resistor, you can put in wait, here. Yeah, here. Sorry, here. Sorry, here, and here, and then if it's wrong, I'm afraid it is burning. And you can put this. Okay, then you can put this, the IR sensor, put in. Oh, sorry. Wow. Put in oh, there we go. here or not. Just you can put in here. Oops, you can put in here. Okay. And then you can put this. Oops. This is the positive one. I mean, the negative one is in here. You can put in the negative one. I'm afraid that if it is if it were wrong, it would be burned. Okay, you can put black this here, then as you can see that, wow, it's very nice. Okay. Ouch. Oh, as you can see, I already put it all. And you can plug this into your or my computer. I mean, your computer. Okay, then plug into this computer or whatever lah. In here. Wait. Okay. I already put that code and then can upload it. Wait first. And then you can go to monitor one. And you just try to press. Just press again and press again. Whatever the number, I don't know. See, as you can see in here, cannot. If you close RAM 2 this laptop, you have to close RAM 2 this sensor. Wow, see, oh, this is very nice. And thank you for watching and see you in next project. Bye bye. Did something wrong? Maybe the code. I'll copy it. Paste to and paste to here. Oh god. Okay. And this one. And here. You can just see that. And then okay, it's already saved and I don't know I want to do it. I'm sorry, the lamp is cannot on. I don't know what I want to do. Guys, just thank you for watching and see you.